Today I'm going to be discussing cardiovascular safety trials for diabetic drugs. In recent years, FDA has put in new requirements that sponsors of investigational drugs study them for their cardiovascular safety before they're approved. Well, I think that we're going to learn more from these studies. They do take a while, and so I don't think I think the jury is still out on how much we're going to learn. But clearly we'll have more confidence about these drugs when they're on the market. This probably will require more patients. It also requires post-market studies in many instances. So the FDA has put in place a tiered approach where you can get on the market with a certain amount of cardiovascular safety, but then, unless there are absolute assurances of that safety, you have to complete more studies after marketing. This effort is controversial in some ways. Some people believe that cardiovascular safety of diabetes drugs should be studied more, and others believe that this effort will have a chilling effect on drug development in the diabetes area. And the FDA is trying to walk that path of getting more information about cardiovascular safety without stifling innovation in this area. I think there are a lot of diabetes drugs on the market. There are multiple classes of drugs, and usually there are many choices within those classes. However, diabetes type 2 is a progressive disease, and patients often find themselves needing more and more therapies. And in fact, often it isn't controlled successfully, and people have to go on insulin in addition, which has its own liabilities. So clearly there's a need for more innovation in this area. Well, we would certainly hope that there's more innovation in drugs that really get to the bottom line of what is the cause of type 2 diabetes, because right now, to some extent, we're treating the symptom, which is hyperglycemia, but the underlying defects are not perhaps fully addressed, and so I think there's quite a bit of opportunity there.